One of the unforgivable sins committed by Mnangagwa was recalibrating our national discourse. Zarabana mashukano kudanyoka pangwa ine na advocate Thabani Mpofu. Pangwa ine zvinzi nothing spoils a good story like the arrival of an eyewitness. Zarabana mashukano kudanyoka pangwa ine achachiti pangwa ine zvinhu zvakaitiwa nemutungamiri wenyika pangwa ine. Aiwa zvinonekwa kunzi izvi hazviregerereki. We can't forgive him. Zvobuda pachena kuti people are not happy with these constitutional amendments, but was subscribe or like on the bill. In the Zimbabwe of Mnangagwa is part. The Zimbabwe of Mnangagwa is not the Zimbabwe we have always known. This one is deeply divided, polarized, and toxic. Our understanding of principles now depends on which side of the divide we stand on. We now label people as evil not because of their conduct but because of where they belong. Our sense of right and wrong has been reduced to political allegiance. Yet, despite all this, there are principles and values that many still stand for. Their validity does not depend on popular approval. Some may not be obvious today, but as surely as the sun rises tomorrow, the truth of values that have endured the test of time will eventually stand out like gold. There are, of course, lines that must not be crossed in the name of plurality or of subjective entitlement to opinion. When those are crossed, crosses must be borne. At the same time, they are legitimate calls that can be made by individuals and professionals without dragging the mob into the matter. Toma developments and pangwa ine atrukona kuti aiwa Thabani Mpofu ari pangwa ine. It is not difficult to forgive President Idi Mnangagwa pangwa ine after he recalibrated our national discourse. Pena comment section videos of Gura Aimor Kudi Pamsa Chitko. Subscribe or like, chitona biwa icon.